So I just rebuilt, put a new motherboard on my guided 2S. I had some issues with the heating, and now when I started it up, if I go to build, I'll just choose this job here. After it heats up and begins to commence the job, it'll bring up a filament error. There we go. It doesn't actually have to heat up at all. Filament check, filament error. So this is related to a setting which is a filament check. I don't know fully what's happening there. Must be some issue with the firmware or the software. But the way you can get around it is you just go, just wait for the job to pause. While that's going, other than this, all I've got running at the moment is a couple of Ender 3 Pros. 1, 2 and 1 in the enclosure. I've got 2 more that should be dropping in any day. Keeping them busy, it's good. So something to confirm though is that I have very effectively loaded the filament, and you can't see but it has run through the tip very cleanly, so there must be an issue with one of the sensors. Alright, now we're going to stop the print, cancel it, and if we go back to the home screen, go into our tools, go into settings, go down and filament check. I just want to turn that off. If we turn that off and go to build, the job will commence without an issue. And we're off and racing. So yeah, not a solution to the problem, but a way around so you can keep printing. And I've done a few prints and it goes pretty good. Alright, have a good day. God bless, guys.